Welcome back, traders. I hope all of you guys had a wonderful weekend and are ready to come back and trade with us once again. The first setup I want to talk to you guys about is USDCAD. So as you guys can see on the 4-hour time frame, it's quite evident that we are in a bearish market structure. After this huge bullish push to the upside, price found its top, created an impulsive move to the downside, had a retracement, double top over here as well, another impulsive move to break below the previous lower low to create a new one, and now we came up last week to create our new lower high. After we created our new lower high, price kind of failed to make a new lower low. Instead, we just started to move sideways in a ranging market. Considering the Considering the market structure, I believe that price will continue to push down and create a lower low unless the lower high is breached. Then we could see price push up higher. Therefore, we could see market structure being broken. But for right now, market structure is still being respected, and for that reason, my bias is still going to be bearish. Now, if we drop down on the 1-hour time frame, you can see that price is starting to form this sort of pennant as price starts to push in deeper inside this triangle chart formation here. You can see we have this ascending trend line that's being respected and this descending trend line that's also being respected as well, considering the wicks. Now, with this triangular pattern being formed, we also have a major support level here that price happens to continuously respect. For 3 times now, we've seen price respect this level, and we have this huge level of resistance here. So we need price to come up into this level to create a potential triple top formation. So this is what I'm expecting. We could see price push up into this one more time to reject off of our descending trend line for the third time and have our third rejection to create a triple top from this level of resistance before seeing price push back towards the downside, potentially even breaching this level of this level of support at 1.41500, this trend line, and even potentially even breaching this level here as well. So this is what I'm expecting on USD CAD. Hopefully we can see something like this occur. Obviously we would have to wait for the daily closure. But just to add another confluence on this is if we were to just measure the impulsive move from the top down to the bottom, you can see that price right here is heavily respecting the 71% level of the Fibonacci. You can see right now we have a major level of support, so we could see price just push in one more time into this level before ultimately having a push back towards the downside. And our target will be this mini support level, but if this occurs, I would continuously expect price to push back towards the downside as this triangular pattern would have been broken, and we would see this support level being broken as well.